Restoring your driver's license in North Carolina. Driving is an essential part of life. Without a driver's license, it is difficult to get to work, to school, go shopping, and take care of all your typical daily needs. Unfortunately, there are some circumstances that could result in a suspension of your driving privileges. When that happens, you will want to know how to restore your license. There are various reasons why your license was suspended. An experienced Charlotte attorney will help you restore your driver's license in North Carolina. Suspension. For failure to appear. If you have a scheduled court hearing date for a misdemeanor traffic violation, you must attend. If you fail to show up, the judge could, in some circumstances, suspend your driver's license. Most traffic violations are minor, but some offenses result in criminal charges, such as reckless driving or driving without insurance. If you will not be able to attend the hearing, you must contact the court within 20 days to reschedule. To get your driver's license reinstated after a failure to appear, you will need to attend the court appearance regarding the ticket, pay the fines and court fees for the traffic ticket, pay an administrative fee for the missed court appearance, follow the process through the Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, which includes paying reinstatement fees. Suspension for DWI. If you are arrested for DUI DWI, you are subject to an immediate temporary suspension of your driver's license. The suspension is in place for 30 days. If convicted of DWI, you will have your license suspended for a period of 1 year. If you refuse to submit to a BAC, blood alcohol content test, you will get an automatic suspension of your license for 1 year, which is a separate charge. A second DWI conviction will result in the suspension of your driving privileges for 2 years. To get your license back after a DWI conviction, you will need to wait until the suspension period is over. After that, you can apply through the Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, for license reinstatement. You will need to pay any associated fees. Suspension for traffic violations. North Carolina utilizes the point system for traffic violations. When you are guilty of a traffic violation, you will accumulate a number of points on your license. If you receive 12 or more points in a 3-year period, your license is subject to suspension for at least 60 days. If you have already had suspensions in the past, the length of time your license is suspended will increase. After the suspension period is over, you will be able to pay a restoration fee and other fees, such as a service fee, to the DMV to get your license back. Seeking limited driving privileges. North Carolina DMV provides limited driving privileges in some cases. This is also called a hardship license. You may be allowed to drive for specific reasons, such as to work, school, or medical appointments. You must attend a hearing where the judge will determine whether to allow you LDP. Typically, you must complete certain requirements in order to qualify. For example, if you lost your license due to DWI, you may be required to complete a substance abuse assessment. In addition, you will need to provide proof of your need for the LDP and proof of insurance, as well as pay any fees. It is entirely up to the court to decide whether to allow you a hardship license.